You are welcome back to the continuation of algebraic expression. Kindly subscribe to this video channel after watching. Thank you. An algebraic expression becomes an algebraic equation when it contains equality sign that separates the equation into left hand side and right hand side. Let's look at an example. Minus 7x squared plus 6 is equals to 5x. Minus 7x squared plus 6 is equals to 5x. This is a very good example of algebraic equation. You can imagine and you can see clearly that we have two sides of the equation here. We have the left hand side, which is minus 7x squared plus 6, and the right hand side, which is 5x. So the equality sign has separated them into two. So this is a very good example of algebraic equations. So students could search for more examples because this is a very easy example. Now let's look at what we mean by the degree of an algebraic equation. The degree of an algebraic equation. The degree of an algebraic equation. The degree of an algebraic equation is the power to which the unknown is raised. The degree of an algebraic equation is the power to which the unknown, that is the variable, is raised. So the highest degree of that algebraic equation determines the number of roots that equation will have. Take for example here, 7x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x is equals to 9. In this algebraic equation, we have three powers for the unknown x. 1, it has 3, it has 2, and it has 1. The highest degree here is 3. So in this case, this algebraic equation has 3 as the highest degree, and so it's going to have 3 roots. We have others that have 4 roots, we have others that have 5 roots, and so on and so forth. So the degree of an algebraic equation determines the number of roots it has. So this will lead us to algebraic equation with the highest degree of 2. We have a quadratic equation. A quadratic equation is one that has degree 2. That has 2 as the highest degree. That has 2 as its highest degree. So e.g., you can have, for example, we can have 3x squared plus 6x minus 9 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. And the highest degree there is 2. We also have a cubic equation. A cubic equation has 3 as its highest degree. For example, I can revert to the previous example we used. 7x cubed minus 4x squared plus 5x is equals to 9. So in this example, 3 is the highest degree. So this equation is called a cubic equation. You can also have some other equations that have degree that are more than 3. We have equations that have degree 4. We call it quartic equation. We have the one that has degree 5. Quantic equation. We have so many of them. So the degree of an algebraic equation determines the number of roots it has. So when an equation has degree, it is very easy for learners to presume the number of roots it's going to have. Like I said earlier on, a quadratic equation has degree 2, so it's going to have 2 roots. A cubic equation has degree 3 as its highest degree, it will have 3, and so on and so forth. So kindly subscribe to this channel for more of this type of lecture. Thank you very much.